How to use templates for quick floor plan designs. Templates are a powerful way to speed up your design process, especially if you're new to floor planning or working on a tight deadline. Homestyler offers a wide range of pre-made templates that you can fully customize. To get started, log into Homestyler and click on the Templates section. You'll find floor plans for apartments, houses, offices, retail stores, and more. Choose the template that's closest to your project type. Once you open a template, you'll be able to modify every element. Want to change room sizes? Just drag the walls. Need to update furniture? Delete and replace items with a simple click. You can even add new rooms or floors, change wall colors, adjust lighting, and more. The templates are designed with smart layouts and realistic proportions, so you're not starting from scratch. This means you can focus on personalization instead of technical layout work. Templates are also great for client presentations. They allow you to deliver a finished, polished floor plan in record time. If you're a designer juggling multiple projects, using templates can help streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Click the link in the description to join Homestyler for free and explore all the available templates. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, templates are your shortcut to impressive designs.